Alright guys, so a couple things about it. You want to have your foot and weight kind of angled towards the back. When you push on the brake, you lightly, slowly and lightly pull it. Don't just pull it really hard right away or you're going to fall and go flying. Overall, very nice. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're going to be reviewing the YYD ROBO electric Z1 scooter. So I'm going to show you what's in the box and show you test driving it. Alright, so this is it right from the box. It looks like, you know, everything just kind of lines up. And clamps on. So we're going to go ahead and set this up. But this is what it looks like right out of the box. You got your brake back here. Looks like a little kickstand right here. Let's go ahead, set it up. Okay, so this just clamps or snaps right in place. And then for up here, you're just gonna feed the wire down through. Make sure you don't pinch it. Just feed it down through. You're gonna take these bolts out and then put them in through here when you slide this down. Alright, so this is the charger. It's just a standard plug to charge this. So guys, one nice thing I'm noticing, you can't turn this super hard, so that way it helps prevent you from actually crashing. So left and right. So keep in mind, you have to make very wide turns, but that is definitely a good safety feature because if you could turn this even further, you could actually wipe out and hurt yourself really bad. So we're going to go ahead and see if there's any power in here. And I assume we just press and hold. Alright. Oh wow, looks like it's full power. Here's a brake as well. Make sure, you for both brakes, go gently, get used to it before you go anywhere on main roads. That's all. That is awesome, my friends. So the handles are really nice, good grip. The brake, oh yeah, that's good. We can't push it. As you can see, the tire's barely moving. So brake seems to be good. Alright guys, so for the light underneath here, if you double tap the power button right here, if you double tap that, it turns the light on. Double tap it and it turns it off. Okay guys, so we downloaded the app. The app is KCQ Scooter, at least for Android. So there's a couple things you can do. On the app, you can turn on and off the brake light. You can set miles per hour or km. You can, let's see, start mode, non-zero start. So you can change that to zero start. It means you don't have to kick off for it to start up and go. Fix speed, cruise, connection password, advanced settings. So this is what the front of the app looks like. It shows when you're charging and the battery. You can turn the front light on and off with the app. Okay, so if you disconnect it, then you got to go under there and then connect to the Bluetooth. So yeah, by pushing that power button, it turns off your scooter and then disconnects you from the app, the link. Alright guys, so my final thoughts are, it is awesome. Absolutely 1000% love this. So I'm going to go clean it off. I have noticed that using the back brake is much safer, but it also stops you slower. So you need to be aware of your surrounding at all time. If you pull this brake, you need to do it very slow and make sure a lot of your weight and pressure is on the back here. If you're standing closer to the front and you push this on too hard, you're gonna go flying head over heels all over the ground. So, good key, put one foot forward, another foot back here, and lean back a little bit. Don't lean forward on the bars, lean back. And I recommend having your foot kind of angled on the brake at all times. You know, not on the brake, but your foot ready to be on the brake at all times. Yeah, so this is how, when you fold it down, it snaps into place right down here. And now this allows you to carry it. Now, of course, I'm doing this with one hand, so it's a little hard. But you lift it up, and now you can carry it. So you can carry it folded. But I love it. Absolutely. 1000% a blast. I mean, just a blast. Just be very, very cautious of your surrounding. And be smart, be safe. And don't go fast. Keep it in first gear until you fully are used to this. But overall, I mean, this is one of the best things this is one of the most fun things I've reviewed in a very long time.